Hi friends in Canada and also to all those who drives a car. Most of you are using Petro Canada Car Wash and wondering how to use the app for that. Here in this video, I will help you with all the information related to Petro Canada app and how to use it for car wash. Please note that to use Petro Canada vacuum service, you still need a physical membership card. App doesn't work for vacuum, at least as of 2022 Jan. So let us start with installation of the app in your mobile. Before that, I'm again reminding you that you should have a Petro Canada card to register into the app so that you can use it. You can go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store and type in as Petro Canada. Install the app with the Petro Canada symbol. As you see, the app is installing and it's installed successfully now. Once installed, click on open and it will take you to the first screen of the app. Using this app, you can also make a contactless payment. When you click on the red button at the center, it gives you options for you. Use any option to go to the login screen. I just clicked on fuel up option. When you use this option, it asks your permission for location. Once you give permission, it scans and displays all the nearest locations of Petro Canada gas stations, as you see in the screen now. On the sign in screen, there are two options, join and sign in. If you are using the app for the first time, then you should use the option join, where it will ask whether you have card or not. Once you have the card in hand, then enter details of the card and your details so that the card is registered and linked under your name. As I already have registered, I didn't continue on the screen after entering the details, but in the next screen it will ask for the email and the password you want to use for this app. Once registered, you are good to use the app. Now it takes you back to the home screen. Here you use the sign in option using the email and the password that you entered to register. If your phone have a fingerprint screen unlock option, this app will ask for permission to enable the fingerprint login option so that you don't have to enter password every time you open the app. After the login, at the bottom of the app, you will see multiple options. Let us go and see one by one. We are on the home page now. I just zoomed it to show you the options better. Next to the home button is the locations option. Upon clicking the locations option, it will ask what you want to do. If it is fuel up, it shows all the nearby PC gas stations. If it is wash, then it shows nearby PC gas stations with car wash options. If you give scan my points card option, it displays all your card details with the balance points. Back at the home page, redeem option shows the number of points in your card and the ways you can redeem them. Now, when you select the wallet option at the bottom, displays your card details as well as any credit card options you added while setting up your account. You can use either cards for transactions at PC stations. Here I have selected Season Pass, which is one type of PC card I bought for car wash. Each time you activate Season Pass, it gives 90 days of car wash. In this screen, it also shows the number of days left on the pass so that you can plan for renewal. Right in here in this screen, I selected Activate Wash. In here, you need to enter the code that is displayed on the machine near the car wash. Once you enter the code, same as displayed in the machine, it will instruct you to put your car in neutral and take out your legs from brake pedal. After your car is moved on the movator, the number changes for the next person to enter their unique code. We will go to the car wash soon. Just I came back to home page by navigating back in the app. Okay. Now we have done enough with the app. Let's go and try our car wash at the nearby Petro Canada Car Wash station. For the instructions on how to get the car wash done, please also check my other video using the link copied in description. Remember, before you queue up or before you enter the lineup for the car wash, make sure that you are able to open the app and keep it ready up until that activation code where you have to enter the activation code. Because if there is any problem in getting code, reversing your car from the position where the machine lies is a bit difficult, as you have to manage the cars behind you in the line. So I hope you won't be entering into that kind of situation. So just to avoid any of those, be ready with your app so that when you are in front of the machine, you will just enter the code. Move your car slowly by following the path and be sure to check in the mirror so that the wheels are rightly aligned on the track. Some car wash doesn't have the track, but they still have some line indication where you should take your car into the position to get the car washed. So here I am about to reach the machine. Once you reach the machine, check the code on display and enter the same code in your app. Here in this case, I can see it is as 477 and I'm going to enter that code on my app to activate the car wash. 477. This is a one-time code and it gets changed for every car which are behind you. It prompts to keep the vehicle in neutral. It is difficult to hear the voice sometimes as you might have to close all the windows, but just follow the display. That is it. You have used the app successfully. Have a happy car wash.